What an egg. This is a 2002 Ford Taurus Wagon with 144,000 miles. This one's basically the top of the line trim. It has the digital climate control and the Mach sound system. Well, let me get around and talk about the interior in these. Down in the middle in the center console you have the cup holder. It becomes two and it's adjustable once you swing around this arm. You have a coin holder with a little tray here. Ashtray. Screw you. But at least it wasn't smoked. That's a good plus. In the center console you have this CD changer. 6-disc. You have a little holder here, possibly a tissue holder. It is padded, so it's not too bad. These come with the 4-speed auto. Typical. And let me get this AC going because it is hot as fuck. Oh, what the hell was I putting it up for? Here we go. Well, here's the glove compartment. It's fairly decent sized. The dash is soft to the touch. Steering wheel is pretty much average size. It's not thick or skinny, it's just in the middle. You have cruise control and that's about it on there. Rear wiper controls, headlamps. Door panel, it is soft to the touch and it is padded. Well, these Tauruses always suffer on the door panel over here. The adhesive for this vinyl just doesn't hold it anymore and it begins to peel. You can see they're all sagging. Armrest is slightly soft. Here's the window switches, power locks, power mirrors. And you can see the tweeter for the Mach sound system. A little door pocket. Power seats, adjustable pedals, you can see right there. They adjust. I forgot to mention in the radio you have cassette. And these also come with a traction control switch up here. You can see. So pretty much this one's equipped. Just that it's missing the sunroof because some of these come with sunroofs. Materials follow through into the back seat as well. Nothing changes. Legroom is where it should be. It's quite decently sized. This car does have side impact airbags. You can see the airbag logo right there. No armrest, so you're pretty much just sitting here. You have a cup holder that just folds down. It is flimsy. You have some rear AC vents. The seats do fold down. Just pull this handle. So cargo capacity is quite decent. I'll show you in a moment. Push this button. This rear glass pops up. And just open this door. The entire tailgate opens. And you can see once these things are folded, you'll have some decent cargo capacity. So all the plastics are all kind of low rent. I've seen many of these things all broken up. And the spare tire, this cover is a bitch to get back perfectly. And you always have to tighten the spare tire as tight as you can because if you don't, it will squeak like a bitch. These have a third seat. Move this handle. And you have a third seat. It is vinyl, so. And you could just lift this flap up. And you can just use it as a cargo area. It's sunken into the floor like for groceries and you won't have everything rolling all over the place. It looks like they left some screws or razor blades in here. You can see rust spots. Oh, gotta unlatch it again. And you have a little pocket here. where you would put in the windshield washer fluid for the rear glass. Just like the Mazda 6, only that this Taurus is just an egg form of it. It uses the same engine. It's a 3.0 liter Duratec V6. It's good for 200 horsepower. You can see how Ford in this year, from 2001 and up, Ford moved over the water pump to this side. You can see it has a separate belt over here. In 2000 they didn't have this over there. You can see they did some service to the transmission already. Jumbo-sized egg. And this here had some puddle lamps, so looks like the bulb is burnt, but these do have puddle lamps on the doors. Looks like the bulb is burnt because this is supposed to light up. And obviously, like an old school wagon, they have roof racks. Ew. Let me give this one a rev. Engine sounds good, even with 144,000 miles. Let me do an exhaust shot of this one. Forgot to mention this one has keyless entry, so combination is somewhere hidden, possibly in the books if it has any. Or check the memory module, which is usually under the gas pedal or the brake pedal. That's where they usually hide it in the Taurus. And I forgot to mention the sun visors, which you have those dual sun visors. Just unlatch it, and you have pretty much a second sun visor, just to adjust over here. And you have your mirror with its vanity light. You can see right there, right up above, and you could adjust the lighting right there. And on the ceiling you also have some more interior lights. Same thing back there. Let's pop this one up. Strange you didn't put an oh shit handle over here. They only put it in the back seat. You can see. Well, that's the Taurus wagon.